Hey guys! This is your complete guide to staying safe in the digital world. 4 quick hacks every teen should know. Hack 1. Think before you share. On social media, share only safe things like hobbies and pets. Never share address, phone, passwords, or routine. Wait before posting. Once online, it stays forever. Hack 2. Strong passwords and stay alert. Use 8+ letters, numbers, and symbols for every account. Different passwords, don't share, block shady links or DMs. Turn on 2-step verification for extra safety. Hack 3. Balance screen time. Too much screen equals tired eyes, poor sleep, low focus. Use timers, break every 30 to 45 minutes, no screens 1 hour before bed. Spend offline time with friends, family, or outdoor fun. Hack 4. Speak up, always. Bullying, threats, or creepy messages. Tell a parent, teacher, or trusted adult, safety first. Save screenshots as proof before blocking. Remember to think before you share, keep your accounts safe, balance your screen time, and speak up if something feels wrong online. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online and keep learning with Techie Kids YS. Subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.